said it's easy, it was never easy. Made it out the grease.
I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mantra. Before we get into the video, make sure to go down, top link in the description below, and cop collection 1 Hypebeast. Right here, sick items available right now. Top link in the description below. Today we have an unboxing from Uniqlo. You probably know what it is if you're a Hypebeast like myself. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. But 1 minute before we get into that, where have I been? I've been working on a new collection coming out in October and December. If you follow me on Instagram, benmantra_, I do update you guys on there, where I'm at, what I'm doing, and all that. And last but not least, my sneaker collection video will be coming out really soon. It was supposed to be out on July 4th, but it got delayed because I was too busy working on this new collection. So I will be getting it up really soon. I hope to get it up, maybe in a week or two. And thank you guys for 550 something subscribers already. We just hit 500 and we're about to hit 600. I hope we can hit 1,000 in 2 to 3 months. I know we can do it. Definitely go down, press that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a video. Because I do have some fire videos coming, like a Kanye West merch, Wyoming merch unboxing, and some other Kanye merch unboxings, and some other unboxings. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. All that info and where I've been out of the way, let's get into what I picked up from Uniqlo. Here it is right here. I got from the Sesame Street collab. I did pick up something from the last drop. This Snoopy from the last Kaws drop right here. Snoopy times Peanuts. I do have a review up on this. Definitely go check that out. It's on my channel. Probably like 30 videos before or something like that. So definitely go check that out. Let's unbox what I got here. I only got one thing. So let's take a look and see what I got. Shipping was really fast. I ordered it and it shipped out that same day. And all this stuff sold out really fast. So here it is right here. And this is Asian sizing. So I did go up like 2 sizes on this. Play it safe. Really like this t-shirt. Let's take it out of the wrapping and see what it's all about. See the quality. Last t-shirt I had, it was amazing quality. Oh yeah, this t-shirt, the quality on this, it's a very heavy t-shirt, very thick cotton. I really like the quality on this t-shirt. First thing, let's take a look at the hang tags. You get the Kaws times Sesame Street collab, the hype around it, and this is one tee I love. I caught this tee, and for only $15 retail was not bad at all. What a steal of a deal. Very nice quality t-shirt as well. It's not gonna shrink on you. It's not gonna, all those like cheap quality t-shirts from H&M and all that. These are actually really high quality t-shirts. And on this one, you have the Kaws. You got the companion character, Bert, Elmo, and Ernie. And as you can see, all their eyes are X'd out, just like Kaws. Kaws is a well-known artist, and everything he does, he has the X's on the eyes. Same thing with the Snoopy collab. The X's are on the eyes. You really can't see it with the black one. Screen print is really nice on this. This is a perfect tee for summer. Definitely perfect for the summer months. Definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this for the summer. And on the right sleeve, on the left sleeve, you got the X's on the sleeve embroidered in, nice detail. Shirts have really nice detail with the Kaws collaboration. And these tees did restock like once or twice, and they did sell out. I'm not sure if they're still on the site now, but they did sell out. I do see resale going for like 40 to 50 bucks right now. But I do see this t-shirt and some other t-shirts, they will reach $100 pretty soon. These tees are just too sick not to cop, and the quality on these are amazing. Definitely recommend cop one now if you can, if you get one for the right price. And you can cop collection 1 Hypebeast. So let me know down below if you got anything from the Kaws times Uniqlo collab. Let me know down below. I will be posting a picture on my Instagram, benmantra_. And I hope you liked the video, and I'm glad to be back. I'm going to try to post 4 days a week. I'm going to start trying to do that. Really want to post high quality content for you guys. So, I'm going to come back really strong. I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe. And remember, always create.
Never said it's easy.